Hi guys, today's WineText offer is a name and a label that many of you are familiar with, especially if you've been on WineText for the last several months. It is a wine from Baer Cellars. This is actually the last wine we will have from them for quite a while. And these have been really popular wines over the course of the last 2 to 3 months, I would say. Mainly because there's a lot of different varietals that they produce, from Chardonnay to Cabernet to Merlot to Cab Franc and to blends such as this. So a little bit about this. This is the 2014 Ursa, which is one of their blends. This is dominated mostly by 3 varietals, really Merlot and Cabernet Franc. It's roughly 38% Merlot and 38% Cabernet Franc, and then there's 22% Cabernet Sauvignon in this as well. Blends are incredibly popular these days, and while most consumers are buying a lot of blends from California and from different areas of the world, Washington State actually has turned out some real beauties, not just this winery, but several. And what's so good about this, well, there's many reasons so good about this, but the biggest thing for me here has to do with the texture of this wine and its just immediate drinkability. You do get that from the Merlot and from the Cab Franc, and there is some Cabernet Sauvignon, as I mentioned in there, to actually build up some of the complexity. But it is drinking phenomenally well right now, which is why I know this will be such a hit for so many of you that are buying, not really to store, although this will cellar for several years, but really just to buy, pop, and pour and enjoy virtually at any time. Plus, as I said before with the texture, it's just so smooth. I mean, this is an easy drinking red wine that has good complexity. It's medium to full bodied, and again, just ready to go. We have a small amount of this in stock today. Most of the Baer wines are made in very small production. This one is no exception. So make sure you act on it while it lasts. Thanks so much.